amazing partners at Inspired by Drive have provided Liam with upgraded mobility and posturing equipment to grow along with him into his teenage years.
Hi, Itzel.
Hi, Nicole. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I see we have a pea pod.
Yes, so I'm here with Inspired by Drive, part of Drive to Build This Healthcare, and this is our pediatric rehab products. As I heard, you already are familiar with our pea pod, but this is an upgrade on the one that you had before. This one comes in our wipeable Dartex material.
Which is perfect for Liam, because I'm constantly doing laundry and washing everything, so this makes it a lot easier on me.
Oh, I bet. And I know that he likes to feed in his pea pod too, so
yes.
It's easy to clean up, easy to wipe, and that's just something to help you with your daily living as well, because at the end of the day, it's not just for Liam, but it's also for you. So this one is on our mobility base to help facilitate transfer. This is very popular in our school settings. It's great for one-on-one learning, and especially like with, other kids to interact.
And it's his favorite color.
What better way than a big red Dartex pea pod?
He's gonna love it.
As part of our other products for our pea pod, we have our freestanding tray. It's for activities to help engage, because at the end of the day, we want them to be able to feel that they can do other things.
He could play his drums, he could do his sensory toys on it, and this is amazing for him.
We also do have a foot bolster here at the bottom, and this just helps to help make it more comfortable for them, because at the end of the day, they can't tell us how comfortable they are, but we're able to see that. And so we want to be able to provide those accessories like this harness as well for that extra postural support.
I love this pea pod because he feels more comfortable in here, because a long day being in that wheelchair, his back starts hurting. So as soon as he sees that, he gets super excited, and then we watch movies together, he plays the drums in it and all of his activities, and he's so comfortable.
We want them to feel, like it's an extension of who they are, bright colors,
I love it.
Reflect their smile.
Yes.
All right, and right here we have our Spirit Plus car seat. It has the safety of a standard car seat with the added benefit that it also enhances postural support.
I love this. This is swing away?
Yes, they do have swing away hip and trunk pads, and it also has a swing away abductor, so it facilitates hip placement as well as transfers. And this one does go up to a weight cap of 130 pounds, so it'll grow with Liam. And it has this nice breathable mesh material down the center, because we're in Florida. We don't want him to sweat. We want to have some of that breeze go through, so that's a nice added feature for this.
He's gonna be so happy. Thank you so much, and we're gonna love it.
But wait, there's more. Can you tell us about what Liam is modeling here?
Well, this is our Trotter mobility chair. So it's a stroller pretty much, but it comes included with a canopy and an underseat carrier.
Oh my goodness. The carrier underneath will help me so much, because I put all of his medical supplies in there, so I'm hands-free when I take him anywhere.
Yes, and the good thing about the Inspired by Drive line is that we have products that are for sun up to sundown, so you can take him out during the day, and then we also have products for you when you get back.
We love the stroller. Liam loves it. Thank you for all the surprises.
Well, that's not everything, Nikki.
Coming up, dreams do come true.